Record. Alright, right now we're in a windstorm, I think. It is.
My phone just died.
No! Oh my god. Go, go, go. Oh my god, y'all. So today I think we're in a windstorm. You can just see by the vast amount of stuff flying through the air. Oh my god. Ah! Gotta go, guys. Go. Gotta go. Ah! Guys, are you guys okay? Okay, I think you guys are okay. Oh! Shoot. Ow! What?
Why do I keep on hearing that sound?
Probably because of them cars. I hurt myself.
Look at the grass.
I know.
Where did you get that?
My leg, I fell. I fell on purpose. Oh, it's so strong. Okay, it's not actually that strong. I just burped. Wait, it's sending me backwards, Leah. Leah.
That's kind of cool and funny. It's kind of funny.
Boom, I fixed it. Oh. There's like stuff flying. And it was just crazy, y'all. It was like crazy. I'm bad. I'm bad. I know. I'm bad. I don't know. Just beat it, beat it, beat it. Wants to beat it. Showing how funky and starting to fight us.